I just want you to listen carefully and you listen to exactly what is happening in the background. I mean, the chanting that is going on. Just listen to the chanting and I will come back. Yes, I hope we heard the chanting, and the chanting is very simple. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. That is it. Listen, the love people have for Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is organic, and you can see it. Is he outside? You people have put him in prison, far away, Sokoto, but in the hearts of the people, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is with them. Let me tell you, this is a man. Soludo just woke up few days ago and he decided that he want to lock up main market because people said that they want to respect Mazin Nnamdi Kanu every Monday, and he deemed it fit that why must they lock up their shops. Soludo, it is their shops, not Anambra shops. Do you get it? This is exactly what you guys did. You, the likes of you and all Joes Okano, you rally around, gather yourself, and plan against Mazin Nnamdi Kanu to put him in prison, thinking that you are going to stop agitation or restoration of Biafra. I'm very, very sorry to disappoint you. You cannot. This is a man that is loved organically. And that is the reason why people are doing it. They are doing it in Abia, they are doing it in Imo, they are doing it everywhere, the whole world. Even we in abroad, we chant the same thing. We protest, we demonstrate. Nobody can stop us. White people don't stop us. Even no government can stop us. And we are not even violent. We do it peacefully. Release Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is our brother. Is the man after our heart. But you guys, Soludo, thinking that you have something to show, thinking that you have something to achieve by putting Mazin Nnamdi Kanu in prison. You understand? This is a man they call Charles Soludo. He promised Anambra people that Anambra is going to make Anambra Taiwan of Africa. He never achieved that. People were confused to choose him, the devil, and the second devil that may come in during the last election. They chose him. They just decided to vote him just for continuity. And the same main market is threatening. The same main market is threatening today. That is where he started his campaign, and those are the people who even voted him in large number. Today he's trying to threaten them that he's going to we even said that went ahead to say that he's going to level the whole main market. Imagine the audacity. Soludo, what do you have? What is giving you the liver, thinking that you can enter main market and bring two buildings down? Who is behind you? I don't know what is making your mind strong. Ọ bụ na enwe ive na-aka gị obi, gwara atị n'aka gị obi ka o kwenchi ya maka na ị ga-emenwu ya, you no fit, you no go fit try am. You understand? So the best thing you, Soludo, should do is to find a way to plead the people if they will listen. The only way you can plead to them is by releasing Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. The way you guys went and met Buhari and Tinubu to lock him up, seize him, so that you kill Biafra agitation. Kill what? Kill what? You can do that? You cannot. You cannot. I'm very sorry. Even our children abroad, they already aware about what is happening. They are entrenched into this story and they cannot leave it. Do you get the point? So don't go there. Just make a move and see how you and your likes, like Ojo Zokano, Dave Umaya, all these haters, the way you people went and spoiled things for yourselves. go and bring Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. That is the only thing that can solve the problem. All these your locking of shop, breaking shops and bringing down buildings cannot even move around. It can't move anything. I'm just being honest to you. Every other persons have tried. Can you do what Buhari did? Buhari tried everything. Carry army, full everywhere, kill people, bring people down, lock people up, put people in prison. Still, he could not. It's you, ordinary you, thinking that you can do that. Let me tell you in a nutshell, the love people have for Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is it's organic. You cannot stop it. If you ask somebody now, why do you love Mazin Nnamdi Kanu? He's going to give you a reason why you love him. But you, if somebody asks me, why do I love you? Why do I'm going to tell the person exactly how you are. You get the point. Let us start from your family, the way you raise your kids. Let's start from there. So let us not go further. What you are attempting to do is suicide. Let me warn you beforehand. If this protest you have started continues today and tomorrow, you are already inviting hoodlums to take over this scene. And what you will get, you will not like it. I bet you will not like it. I don't want to say I'm blaming the people from main market who voted you. You know, some people, they force some of you to them and they don't have any option than to just go there. For me, they're supposed to vote you out because you are against Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. You get the point. But yeah, some of them just out of 4 years, you go, you get out. They voted you. And look at what they are doing already. They can see it. And many of them are regretting. So this is all I have for you. This is what is happening in Anambra today. Soludo is trying to commit suicide by attempting a man God brought for Igbo people. Do you understand? He wants to use his hand to buy himself. That is what he's trying to do. Do your government house, rule what you are ruling, steal the money you can steal because that's what you people do, and leave the case of sit at home alone. Simon Ekpa is no more the one telling people to sit at home. Nnamdi Kanu is no more the one telling people to sit at home. Now the people are sitting at home without nobody leading them. Still, you think that you can handle it. Oh well, if you think you can handle it, let's see how you handle it. But handle it on time before it gets out of hand. For me, to you, I don't know the animals who voted you in because you can't rule your family, not to talk of ruling Anambra. Where is the Taiwan you promise people? Where is the Dubai you promise people? You can see that everything is babadash, everything is story, garbage. You cannot do it. It's not about reading economics. You can become a professor in financial anything, but come and put it into practice. You can't. You see, it is difficult. It is not easy. You have a lot of bottlenecks to jump, to step on, to do before you can handle people. It is difficult to serve people, and you have already seen it. So the case of Nnamdi Kanu is like sitting on a bomb. You don't need to go there. If you don't know what to talk, leave Mazin Nnamdi Kanu alone. You people should go and rally around and bring him out where you people put him. That is what people are asking for. And you stepping into main market that you are going to destroy it. You want to finish yourself and your generation. Don't go to the gate that lead to main market. That's where they're going to put you inside the ground. I bet you, don't make stupid move. People love Mazin Nnamdi Kanu and they are sitting home willingly, organically. What do you think you can do? Nothing. Don't make a move that will destroy the remaining part of you. That's all I've got to tell you. I'm out of this place. We will tell you people more as things unfold, but this is just the starting, the situation at hand. Soludo has gone crazy, has gone mad, but let us make sure he doesn't run into the market. Because when Soludo runs into the market, it is uncurable. That's where I will leave you today. Bye-bye.